In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to schedule messages in Slack so they send automatically at the perfect time. This is incredibly useful if you work with teams in different time zones, want to send reminders later, or simply don't want to forget an important message. Scheduling messages in Slack is built right into the app and only takes a few clicks. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Slack either in your browser or the desktop app and navigate to the channel, group, or direct message where you want to send the scheduled message. This can be a team channel, a private channel, or even a one-on-one conversation. Once you're in the correct place, move your cursor down to the message box at the bottom of the screen. Next, click directly inside the message box, just like you would if you were sending a normal message. Now go ahead and type the message you want to schedule. This can be anything, like an announcement, a reminder, a follow-up, or even a simple check-in message. Take your time to make sure the message looks exactly the way you want it, because this is the message that will be sent later automatically. Once your message is typed and ready, instead of pressing Enter or clicking Send Now, look closely at the Send button. You'll notice a small drop-down arrow right next to the Send Now option. Click on that drop-down arrow to reveal additional options. From the drop-down menu, click on Schedule Message. Slack will now show you a list of suggested times, such as later today, tomorrow morning, or next week. If one of these suggested times works for you, you can simply select it. If you need a specific date and time, click on the option to choose a custom time. When selecting a custom time, you can pick the exact date and the exact time you want the message to be sent. This is especially helpful if you're coordinating across different time zones or planning messages in advance. After selecting your preferred date and time, confirm your choice and Slack will schedule the message for you. Once scheduled, the message will not be sent immediately. Instead, it will stay hidden until the scheduled time arrives. You can also review, edit, or cancel scheduled messages by clicking on the Scheduled Messages option in Slack, giving you full control if plans change. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled a message in Slack, saving time and staying organized without needing to remember to send it manually. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tips, productivity tools, and step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.